Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sugar cookies and icing. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Having everything at room temperature is key for a smooth dough. This recipe is perfect for beginners and yields approximately 2 dozen delicious cookies. Now let's make the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Do not overmix. Wrap the dough and chill it for at least 30 minutes. Once chilled, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create shapes. Place the cutouts on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, let's decorate with royal icing. You'll need 4 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of meringue powder, and about 6 tablespoons of water. Mix these until smooth, adjusting water for your desired consistency. Use a thicker consistency for outlining and a thinner one for flooding the cookies. Allow the icing to dry completely, which can take several hours. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your beautiful, delicious sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.